respected Principal Dr. Sudhakar, beloved Superintendent Dr. Arjuna, faculty members, undergraduate students, residents and medical college students of all other medical colleges. Greetings from Andhra Medical College. I welcome you all to the Andhra Medical College Foundation Day celebrations. We have been conducting the Andhra Medical College Foundation Day on July 19th every year. And this Foundation Day, so this is dedicated to the academic activities of the undergraduates. For the last 4 years, we have been doing the academic activities. And during the last 4 years, so the medical colleges in and around the Andhra Medical College, they used to participate in the academic activities. So this is the first of all, because of the COVID-19 pandemic, all academic activities we have been doing on the online, so that the medical students from other colleges are also actively participating in the academic activities, and in and around the states around. The medical colleges from the states around the Visakhapatnam are also participating, and almost 20 departments are actively participating in the programs, and they have been doing all the quiz programs or short films or webinars, and all the students are actively participating in this, and more than 20 departments have been participating in this academic program. I congratulate the faculty members, all the faculty members of the departments for their time and efforts, and I congratulate the leadership of Dr. Sudhakar. In his leadership, we could do all the activities, and apart from that, I congratulate the in-charge faculty members for this academic activity, Dr. Ram Prasad, Associate Professor of Anatomy, and Dr. Raju, Assistant Professor of Physiology, and undergraduate GS Dr. Nitish Roy and his team, and the student volunteers. I congratulate all of them for their active involvement in the academic programs during this Foundation Day. And I congratulate all the students who have won the prizes during this academic fest. And I double congratulate all the students who have actively participated in this program, because the participation is most important apart from winning the prizes in these academic programs. So I am very happy to inform you all that Andhra Medical College students, so the scholarship program, particularly the ICMR short-term scholarship programs, so 5 projects have been selected by the ICMR. I congratulate all the students for those involvement in the academic activities. And at this juncture, I wanted to tell you something about our MRU. We are having the MRU Multidisciplinary Research Activity Unit in the Andhra Medical College, and we are doing almost 11 research activities in that unit. And apart from that, we have very good instruments in the research unit. And I inform all the faculty as well as the students to utilize the facility in this multidisciplinary research unit. So I am very happy that all the students are very good at academic activities, and apart from your academic activities, it is better to involve in the research activities, which involves the observation as well as the critical thinking. And so far, what we have been looking in the textbooks and whatever the information, whatever the statistics we have, so everything it is from the Western countries only, and we need to have our statistics, and which needs the active research involvement of all the undergraduate students and the faculty members, so that we will have our statistics. So, and main concentration should be on what are all the diseases which are most important in and around our region, particularly in Visakhapatnam. And if you take the projects related to that, it is useful to not only to the patients, it is also useful in the near future to the clinicians, as well as it is useful to the society in general. So with this, all the best.